Hello students, in my previous video we have studied about linear equation in two variables. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 where a, b and c are real numbers. A is coefficient of x not equal to 0 and b is coefficient of y not equal to 0. This is an linear equation in two variables. And we have also discussed how to find the solution of linear equations in two variables. Solution means that values of x and y by putting which we will get left hand side is equal to right hand side. Suppose I have the equation 2x plus y is equal to 7. Generally, once we put x0 and find out y, and then we put y0 and find out x. So in this equation, if x is kept 0, y will be equal to 7. If y is 0, x will be 3.5. Suppose I take y as 1, then 2x will be equal to 6 and x is equal to 3. In this way, we can find infinite solutions for a linear equation in two variables. So next we will discuss questions from exercise 4.3. If the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7, find a. If the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation, here no need to plot the graph. The equation is 3y is equal to ax plus 7. Point coordinates are 3 and 4. It means x will be taken as 3 and y will be taken as 4. By putting the values in the given equation, I will get 12 is equal to 3a plus 7. On simplification, 3a is equal to 5 and a is equal to 5 by 3. In this way, we can find the value of any unknown if we know which point is lying on the equation. Next question of 4.3. Give the equation of two lines passing through 2 and 14. Equation of two lines passing through 2 and 14. Now, coordinates of point are 2 and 14. Equation should pass through them. So, we will make the equation by taking x as 2 and y as 14. We can make so many equations. By putting x2 and y 14, I will get x plus y is equal to 16. Second, I can get x minus y is equal to minus 12. Third, I can get 14 is 7 times of 2. So y is equal to 7x or 7x minus y is equal to 0. In this way, we can find infinite lines passing through point 2 and 14, and we also know that through a point, infinitely lines can be drawn. Dear students, how to solve this? Now we move to the graph of linear equations in two variables. It is the most important topic, how to plot the graph of linear equations in two variables. I have the equation x minus y is equal to 2. Similarly, we will make the solutions by putting x0. I will get minus y is equal to 2 or y is equal to minus 2. Please take care of this sign. When x is 0, minus y is equal to 2 and inequality, minus sign will be shifted. So y is equal to minus 2. When y0, x is 2. When y1, x minus 1 is 2 and x is equal to 3. So we can make the table with these solutions. When x0, y minus 2. When x2, y0. When y1, x3. And please write the correct values of x and y to get a correct graph. Now on the Cartesian plane, we will plot x-axis and y-axis. They are perpendicular to each other, and choosing an appropriate scale which should be same on x-axis as well as on y-axis. In previous chapter we have learned how to locate a point on the graph. Here x0 and y minus 2 is shown by point A. x2 and y0 is shown by point B. x3 and y1 is shown by point C. And when we join A, B and C, we will always get a straight line. If your graph is not a straight line, it means it is wrong somewhere. Graph of linear equation in two variable is always a straight line. So if you are taking the correct values with correct sign, definitely graph will be correct. So let's take one more example. Draw the graph of the equation 2x plus y is equal to 3. Very simple. The equation is 2x plus y is equal to 3. In the same way, if I take x as 0, y will be 3. If I take y as 0, 2x is equal to 3 and x is 3 by 2, that is 1.5. If I take y as 1, 2x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1. So represent the solution in the tabular form. x0, y3, x 1.5, y0, x1, y1. Now we will plot the graph on the Cartesian plane as we have done in the previous questions. On x-axis we are showing positive x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative on left side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Positive y on upper side, negative y on the lower side. And same scale on x-axis as well as on y-axis. x0 and y3 is shown by point A. x 1.5 and y0 is shown by B. x1 and y1 is shown by C. If I join them, again I am getting a straight line. It means again my graph is correct. So dear students, I hope you are able to understand how to plot the graph of linear equation in two variables. And in your home assignment, you will do first 3 questions of exercise 4.3. Thank you.